So first of all, the first MCs, there are some MC skill to teach you. So which of the following has a results different? Okay, the first keyword is different from the others. So we need to calculate the result of one by one. So the first one is 12 and then plus 80 because we do the multiplication first, therefore which is equal to 92. And then the second one is we do the calculation of in the bracket, so that means 12 plus 25 and minus 20, which is equal to 37 minus 20, therefore it's equal to 17, right? So and the third one is 12 plus, okay, do the bracket first, so that means 20 multiplied by 4, so which is 12 plus 80 equal to 92. So now we will stop here because we know that the answer C and the answer A has the same results. Okay, so B must be the difference, so therefore the first one, the answer is B. The second one, which of the following is true? So that means we need to calculate whether the result is equal to 15 or not. So the first one is 23 minus 20, which is equal to 3, so it's no. The second one is 54 and then divided by, we do the calculation inside the bracket first, that means equal to 1 plus 18, as we need to calculate the multiplication first, and therefore which is equal to 54 divided by 19. Obviously it's not equal to 2, so it's wrong. The third one, that means 7 multiplied by 31 minus 18, because we need to calculate the multiplication first, and therefore equal to 7 times 13, because 31 minus 18 is equal to 13, and then which is equal to 91 of the product of 7 and 13. So now it's the same answer of this one, so the answer is C. So for question number 3, so find the values of the following. Remember, you need to show the calculation with steps. So therefore, for part A, you need to copy the question first, and then do the division first, okay, inside the bracket. So therefore it's 7 plus 5 multiplied by 11, and therefore which is equal to 12 times 11, which is equal to 132. So and then for the next one is for part B, 72 divided by the square bracket and the inner bracket is 28 minus 25 and then times 4. So we need to do the first part is 28 minus 25 first, so which is equal to 72 divided by 3 times 4, so which is equal to, because 28 minus 25 is equal to 3, and then 72 divided by this, the result of 3 times 4, so that means 12. So the last step, it should be equal to 72 over 12, which is equal to 6. So that's the end of question number 3, and then the last 3 questions. So find the results of the following at 16. So remember, you need to write down the step and write down the result. So at 16 to the product of 5 and 12. So we need to do the product of 5 and 12 first. So part A, that means 16 plus the product of 5 times 12. So which is equal to 16 plus 60. So the result is 76. And the part B, divided 39 by 3, and then so we need to do 39 over 3 first, okay, and then multiply the quotient by 7. So therefore we get at a bracket 39 divided by 3 and multiply this quotient, okay, this is called quotient, multiplied by 7, so which is equal to 13 times 7, which is equal to 91. So for question number 5, okay, expressed in index notation. So we have 3 multiplied together, so which is equal to 3 to the power 4. And 5 multiplied together, so it's multiplied by 5 to the power 3. Okay, understand? So the very last one, okay, express 162 as a product of prime factor. Okay, it's prime factor, so we need to use a short division. Okay, and then after short division, we can express it in index notation. So first of all, I try to use a short division to find the product of prime factor first. And then 3 times 27, so 2 and 3 are prime. Okay, remember these are prime number. Okay, use the prime number to divide 162. And then 3 times 9, and then 3 times 3. So therefore 162 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And the result is 2 times 3 to the power 4. And in examination, this step you can optional, okay? So you can skip this and then just jump to the result is also okay. So that's the answer, the solution of this quiz. Okay, thank you.